Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Unifiller. It's a Canadian made product. It's a single piston filler. It's electrically and pneumatically operated. Has a couple of unique features on it. Has a nice little stand right here that flops into place, allows the operator to reach up to the hopper for loading. Has a single piston. It's just under 3 inches in diameter. It has about a 6 or 7 inch stroke. There's a small discharge nozzle here with a small little manual valve, and of course it has the normal plug valve in here, which is air operated, as well as the piston itself. Now, how this operates, it's usually a lot in bakery or issues where you have to move the container. Hit the start button. It's a hands-free operation. Rotates the container. Let me show you that again. It's going to rotate if you were decorating a cake, for instance, you wanted to put, or you had a trade food product, you wanted to put a cheese topping or some gravy or something like that on, you're okay. You see the controls are operating right here. It has an LCD panel. I'm going to give you a look at it. There's a safety guard over the piston. The piston is adjustable in stroke length, and you'll see that there's, by adjusting the hand wheel here, you move the block back and forth, and that dead ends the piston to where it finishes. Let me just hit that for you so you can see it operate. One hit yields one stroke, rotating the container, and pulls the piston back. So let's see the piston on that, Jim, if you would, one more time. And you see the piston, you'll see the cylinder stroke through, and it returns to the home position. Also, rather uniquely, the filling head itself has this small wheel on the end, which allows it to ride left and right for 6 inches. It's all stainless steel construction. There's a small utility box on it. We have lots of fillers and packaging equipment in our stock, as well as everything in processing for the sanitary industries. I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.